If your Ford Escape USB port stopped charging or won't connect to CarPlay, don't head to the dealer just yet. Data shows that nearly half of these connectivity issues are actually software glitches rather than hardware failures. Let's walk through the diagnostic process to find exactly where your connection is breaking down. Start with a soft reset of the sync system by holding the power and seek up buttons until the screen reboots. Check the physical port for pocket lint and ensure you are using a high-quality data cable, not just a cheap charger. If there is no power at all, you likely have a blown fuse in the passenger compartment fuse panel. Distinguishing between a software glitch and a broken hub will save you hours of unnecessary work. Replacing the USB hub yourself is significantly cheaper than a dealer visit if the hardware has actually failed. To replace the hub, simply pry the old unit out of the console and swap the wiring harness to the new part. Make sure you have a set of plastic trim tools and an authentic Ford replacement part for the best results. Remember that a software update is often the most effective and cheapest fix for connection drops. With your USB ports back online, you're ready to hit the road. Subscribe for more practical Ford Escape fixes.